Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm actually out here at a construction site, and I heard a lot of things, rumors that things were being moved around and stuff going on the land. So we're gonna check it out. Stay tuned. I just smelled sulfur. That's not a good sign. I know I don't have much light right now. Is there any spirits out here with me? If there's any spirits with me, can you fly in front of the camera? Can you show yourself? It's really eerie in here, guys. I'm going lights out. Hopefully you guys can still see. I'm getting like a weird feeling in the back of my throat. What was that? That was my stomach, but we're gonna try a necrometer session. It's like really creepy here, guys. What in the hell was that? Sorry guys, I don't know what's going on. I'm not getting anything off of this app. And my phone just froze. Whoa. Alright, that was weird. Let's try this again. Let's try a different app. Alright guys, I guess I'm using this. Who's here with me? You're trapped. Do you need help? Turn. Oh, I got the chills like crazy. Sorry, my stomach's a little rumbly tonight. was creepy. Did it say Harold? Is that your name? You want me to go? Whoa. Hello. I mean, no disrespect. I'm just trying to find who's out here. Are you happy that they're building houses out here? Oh, my battery's dying. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, this feels really heavy here. Thank you for communicating with me. Is there anything you'd like to tell me? Adam. Whoa. You had enough? You want me to end this session? Can you show yourself? Can you go in front of my camera? What was that? I thought I'd seen something. I'm going to end this session. Thank you so much for communicating with me. Goodbye. Oh, man, that was getting intense. Man, it's something out here. I just feel like something's staring at me constantly. Coming right over that corner there. Something over there. I need a light. I don't know if I feel all that welcome. Well, everyone, that was a short little session. It felt pretty intense out here. Something about this, it used to be the haunted trail out here, and there's still always going to be activity. I mean, I've made numerous videos on the channel going out on the haunted trail, and now they're tearing it up and building houses. So it's quite interesting. I'm glad I was able to come out here and check it out. Whoa. All right, I better get out of here. I hear some coyotes, and it's still in the woods. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe. and share this out. I really appreciate the support, and I will see you guys next time.